You've seen these in your pool before. That black stringy thing you thought was a root? It just crawled out of something's brain. Horsehair worms. And if you found one in your water, you witnessed the end of a months-long hijacking that started inside a cricket's body. Here's what actually happened. A larva infected that cricket weeks ago, probably when it drank from contaminated water. The worm spent the next 2 months living inside the cricket's body cavity, absorbing nutrients directly through its skin. It has no mouth, no digestive system, just growing up to 2 feet long, coiled up inside something the size of your thumb. Then it gets weird. When the worm is ready to reproduce, it releases proteins that literally rewire how its host's brain processes light. The cricket stops seeing water as dangerous and starts seeing it as irresistible. Researchers found infected crickets were 20 times more likely to jump into water than healthy ones. The cricket isn't choosing to do this. Its visual system has been chemically hijacked to interpret horizontal polarized light as the most attractive thing in the world. So your cricket jumps, drowns itself, and the worm bursts out to mate in the water. Plot twist: this process is actually holding together entire ecosystems. In one Japanese river system, these manipulated suicidal insects made up 60% of the annual energy intake for local fish. When scientists modeled what would happen if the parasites disappeared, the fish would decimate other aquatic invertebrates trying to compensate. The worms aren't just horrifying, they're load-bearing columns in the food web. But here's the part that keeps me up at night. The worm can survive if a predator eats its infected host. A bird catches the cricket mid-jump, the worm just wiggles out of the bird and drops back into the water to continue its life cycle. The host dies. The parasite wins. Every time. And yeah, before you ask, there are documented cases in humans. Rare but real, usually from accidentally drinking contaminated water. The worms can't actually complete their life cycle in us, but they can survive in our digestive tract long enough to be, uncomfortable. So next time you see that weird stringy thing in your pool, you're not looking at a worm. You're looking at this aftermath of the most precise biological mind control on Earth, and it's been happening in your backyard this whole time.